All right, my friends, we are just starting our adventure here out into the ocean on our getaway boat tour, fishing / swimming tour. And of course, in a big panic to leave the house today, I left my GoPro at home. So no 4K video on this adventure. Sorry, mis amigos. But thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. So 1080p is all you get. So we are just leaving the Progreso marina. Our lovely friend Carol and Lysandra. Got Riley over there trying to hook up his Bluetooth. Check out that yacht. Pretty sweet.
Joyas de oro cargo, también un camaro y ropa de marca que también portamos. Empecé de cero batallando y miren ya lo que logré. Caídas un chingo, ya me he tropezado, me he quedado en cero. También portamos, empecé de cero batallando y miren ya lo que logré. Caídas un chingo, ya me he tropezado, me he quedado en cero. Ni pontaco traigo, gracias mis zancudas al pendiente, siempre ha de cuidarme. Si quieren saber quién es su nombre, no les diré. Tiene finta de malandro y más info no les daré. La perreaba en su niñez pa' lograr lo que ahora es, con botellitas doradas y un gallito pa'l estrés. Y así suena Ramiro LR. Hierro pariente. Corridos epidémicos.
Can we park this boat in the backward?
Yeah. Susie.
Si quieren saber quién es uno, la perreaba en su niñez pa' lograr lo que ahora es, con botellitas doradas y un gallito pa'l estrés.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we got some pretty dark clouds rolling in here. Now, we have gone ahead and done a voiceover, as of course we had music playing the whole time. Wouldn't be a party without music, my friends. All right, chicos, so right here you can see we have the end of Progreso Pier, the longest pier in the world, and we are not too far from shore. So today we were a little saddened, my friends, that George and Jessica and little Jorgito were unable to join us, as George was not feeling very well that day. The trip was not the same without them.
Ponte a twerkear. Esta cumbia sucia te la voy a dedicar. Móntate mi whip, te pero por fuera lobby. Este es un Benz, baby, no ningún jalopi. Abriéndote la puerta como todo un caballero. Enrolamos unos frescos que uno en el cenicero. Baby, soy tu carnicero, ya viene el aguacero. Mami, ponte nati, ya sabes lo que quiero. Te toco este puntito como todo un ingeniero. Te habla Bambi, baby, el rache sonidero.
A mí me gusta como tú lo mueves. Eres una diabla, me encantan tus poderes. Soy tu cachorrito, aunque no me peles. Quisiera saborear esa nota venenosa. Hey, mami.
Okay guys, as we're cruising up to the Progreso pier here, you can see to the left there's some buoys floating in the ocean there. And I don't know what the captain and the first mate were doing, but they were not looking where we were going. And we just smoked one of those buoys head on. Check it out. Unfortunately, I had turned the camera off, but I restarted the video right after we hit it. Holy crap, we hammered that thing. Ole. It's at the front of the bow pretty good. I think it's just the metal. It's the metal. And neither one of you girls seen that thing coming?
Oh, yeah, today. I'm like,
What's that?
Nobody said nothing?
Yeah, everyone's watching it
I
come
was looking over
toward
here at some boat or whatever. I was like, oh.
I was looking this way.
I did. I didn't think that they were gonna go.
Run into it.
Yeah, that's why I put my feet inside.
Oh, I'm glad nobody got hurt. The boat's not sinking, are we? We're not taking on any water? Oh, that was freaky.
There water coming in down there, Daryl?
No. No, I don't think it did anything. Okay guys, so once the boat had stopped, I jumped up to the bow and took a short little video clip of the damage here. As you can see, it just cracked the fiberglass pretty good. Other than that, a little bit of fiberglass work, fixed up, good as new. Oh, and a little bit of paint too. Hopefully they didn't get in too much trouble for that. Now Riley and I did do a little bit of fishing, but we never caught nothing, and we didn't fish for very long as the weather had took a turn for the worst, as you saw when we were driving out with all the dark clouds. Well, they had rolled in and the wind had picked up and the waves got pretty rough. So we turned around here and headed back into the marina where it was a lot calmer.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'm wake up, go down. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'm put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. You do you, I do me. I'ma take this overseas. I'ma do this for my seeds. Wipe your hair and spin bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
You know, guys, as we traveled along here, I had a lot of time to reflect as people were visiting and chatting amongst themselves. And it really gave me a chance to think of the time that we had here in Yucatan. We made a lot of great friends. We saw a lot of great things. And you know what it boils down to? It's not so much where we went and what we saw. It's who we did it with. We made a lot of amazing friends here. More than I ever thought we ever would. It's been just an incredible journey. Yeah, sure, every day hasn't been sunshine and rainbows, you know. We had a lot of rainy, cloudy days, so to speak. But those days were very few and far between. The sunny, bright, cheerful days far outweighed the cloudy, rainy, miserable days. We struggled with a lot of things here when we first moved here, I'll tell you. You know, the language, just getting used to the culture and the way things are done here in Mexico. It was a big learning curve, it really was, and it took a lot of patience. It wasn't easy at first. I had days myself where I wanted to just pack up and leave, like, what are we doing here? You know? That didn't last very long, and as the days went on, things just got easier and easier for us, right? And after 2 years here, things are not perfect by any means, but it's pretty darn good, I'll have to tell you. And we're very fortunate and very blessed to be here, and we're thankful that we took this opportunity and pulled the trigger to make this big life-changing move and to follow our dreams and live here in Mexico.
And a lot of times they'll look at me and they smile and I'm like, oh no, I'm not saying it right. But you know, then most times they're like, what's sorry. So then I guess they appreciate that you're trying.
Yeah.
Our maids, they're so funny because I laugh at them, they laugh at me. So I'm like,
We tried to go there when we came back.
Louis Rene.
can I throw this at you?
Fishing boats there.
Somebody? I was horrible at baseball.
my friends. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure we took today out in the ocean in the Gulf of Mexico. We're sure going to miss it here, I'll tell you that. As always, my friends, God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Hasta luego.